So this question asks, what is the time complexity of a short? And the answer is yellow. So where the best case is O of n. This is whenever the list is basically sorted for you. So there's not much needed iterations or no looping to go through each element and comparing them. So the best case, O of n. So for the worst case, it has to be big O of n squared. It's also an average case, but speaking of worst case scenario, it's when the input list in the reverse order. Um, in each pass, the algorithms need to swap every adjacent pair of elements, resulting in n comparisons and swaps, where n is the number of elements in the list. Since this process is repeated for each element in the list, the overall time complexity becomes n squared over big O of n squared. So speaking of average case, which is also big O of n squared, the time complexity remains the same as long as her compares and swaps element in a quadratic fashion, making the average performance similar to the worst case.